Where are we going?
We are going to, I think it's a weather ball or something. I'm not sure what it is.
Radio tower, radio ball. I think it's a radio something.
Maybe
It's
a
up there
weather-
somewhere.
Maybe it's a Doppler
Yeah,
thing.
let me go see what it is. It's
We always drive past it. You guys will just come and check it out. Feel the curiosity. Cái bự hả? Cái họ có bỏ con lo sẽ được bỏ à.
cái bò. Cho cậu số này, ta喜欢吃包的那么多。
Check
So
out.
this are
Like these, they're very, I don't think they're edible.
tụi này mà trên chiều nó, cho ta sẽ tụi nó như lá rồi. Ta sẽ tụi nó này mà này trong đấy, chỉ bao thì nó bắt đầu cho nó này. So we not sure that these are edible or they're not. You kind of wonder. No, there's a lot right here, this area. We're almost there. We get to the flat. There's people behind us, so. We're almost there. And just right there. So there's two ladies here. I want to do the short hikes too. Morning.
Yeah, we have more room over here. Enjoy. Thanks, you too.
So we'll see what's up there. Oh, is that open area that we can see around or not? But
Find out.
it's looks like a water tank, but it's not. It's way on top of the mountain, and I'm pretty sure it's either radio, radar tower or not.
Thunder Ridge.
Oh, this is Thunder Ridge.
That's the tattoo.
Right there. This guy, and there's the tower. Oh, I think you can climb up there. There are the stairs to go up. Let's see if they can allow to go up there. Let's see. Maybe not. It's pretty beautiful up here. We're almost to the open. So this is the AT trail. They come this way. This is going south. Going to North Carolina or Georgia. So it's pretty cool. Look at that. Oh yeah. Not just strange. Look at that. Why it's not?
Horseshoe.
That's pretty cool.
That looks like a happy face in there. You see that?
There's a guy.
No AT.
He's an AT hiker. It's a long distance or section hiker. So So we're gonna go. Are you sure you can go that way? People can take shortcuts, so we gotta take this shortcut up. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is a radar. That's a radar tower. It's a big soccer ball. So they fence out. You can't go in there. And this is pretty cool. It has all kind of satellite dish. Has an antenna, and that's the sun. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Beautiful view. Beautiful, beautiful. Just so beautiful. Let's go into this side, other side of the building here. They fence out and lock up. No one can get inside there. And this is the road coming up right here. So yeah, he goes. That'd be nice if you can go up there, but they're not allowed to go up there. So this is pretty cool. There's a satellite dish there, a radio dish. Yeah, we make it to the top of this radio tower or satellite tower. So it's pretty cool. Huh?
Up here to the car is only 1 mile. Can I continue the AT down there?
Yeah, how far? Where are they gonna pick you up?
At the parking lot. Just go down and wait for me in the parking lot.
Parking lot where?
That sunset overlook. Cindy's gonna follow this down to the parking lot. Here's the parking lot right here.
Where's the sunset?
The overlook. When you go around here, there's an overlook. It's called the sunset overlook. That's where we went down to the waterfall.
That's the orchard.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the apple orchard overlook.
I don't see sunset, so I don't know what you're talking about.
No, I think the next one is called the sunset overlook. Can you meet me down there?
Is that the orchard?
Yeah, I would think so. Yeah, sunset field. It is the sunset overlook.
Where's the trail?
The trail comes down.
No, the trail doesn't go in there. The trail down there, you have to come up. Còn đây có ai cụ phải cái tiền loại nằm ở loại mua lúc phải để nè.
Yeah, this is the trail. I'm just gonna follow this AT trail. It's gonna follow here, and then I'm not gonna follow the AT. I'm just gonna follow this back out to the parking lot.
Okay,
Okay, so here's the key.
don't get lost.
No, I won't get lost. I'm just gonna go down there.
So
It's
she
only-
gotta follow the
yeah, it's
AT
only,
trail all the
it's
way.
only 1 mile back to the car.
So I have to go back to the car. So let's see, let's stop and so the parking lot just right after that section there. It's inside there somewhere. So she's gonna continue, and I'm gonna go back and drive the car
Yeah, I'm gonna
and wait for her.
I'm gonna continue to this next parking lot down here.
No, there's no next parking lot anymore.
We're here.
Nope.
Okay, then you just come meet me down here. If we'll figure it out once I get down there.